The purpose of the templates that we offer is to help us come up with a design concept for our project. This is really helpful if you don't have any pre-designed ideas. So let's say we're in charge of coming up with some stickers for a walkathon. I see we have this one. This is Walking for a Cure. That's easy, right? We're going to click on it, and it's going to put it right onto our page. Now, it's obviously too big. We're going to highlight it and shrink it down. And let's bring it up to our first label here. We'll put it right in the middle there. It looks pretty good. Now, you might not like the colors or the text, obviously. Let's change the text first. So I click on the text element of it, and I just double-clicked, and now I can edit it. Let's say we're going to Walking for Breast Cancer Awareness. I put that on a second line because it was getting a little long. I'm going to shrink it down, and I'm going to actually just nudge it down using my keyboard arrows. That's an easy way to get it a little bit smaller and to adjust the positioning. Furthermore, we can change these colors. I'm going to change this color green to like a breast cancer awareness pink. Do something like that. Looks good actually. I'm gonna save this code so we have it, but you can also click the Save Color button as well. It makes it easy to access. So we changed that color, and the reason I did that was because this is actually a separate line from this. So I'm gonna bring this back down, and again I'm gonna use my keyboard arrows just to nudge it right in place. And now I'm gonna change this color using the fill options here, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that color right in there. So now we have a matching color. And that's the basics for using templates.